Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nguyen Phat Tools channel. In today's video, I'll introduce you to an automated robot software that can watch, tap, and comment on TikTok live streams. This is the software interface. First, we have the account management section, which allows you to add and manage an unlimited number of accounts. You can log in, attach proxies, and access other features. Next is the seating function, which lets you automatically watch, tap, and comment on videos and live streams. I'll go on TikTok and choose a live stream to demo for you. You'll need to copy that live stream link, then paste the link here and set the watch duration for each account. After setting the basic parameters, select the accounts and click Start. The software will automatically log in and execute the preset script. So I've just shown you how to use the software for automatically watching, tapping, and commenting on TikTok live streams. This tool will help you grow your TikTok channel with real views. If you need more advice on the software, message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Info is pinned in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Nguyen Phat Tools channel.